Hello everyone, before the production and doing the sketch, I will talk about the idea and concept before creating the pattern, or creating the work for each collection. As we all know, pattern work can be applied to many things, from clothes to furniture or any goods. What we should consider is usability, user, and styles. There are 4 factors to consider when we think of the idea and concept. The first thing is the product that we are going to design the pattern for. Who is the user of this product? What is their behavior? And for what occasion will the product be used, either outdoors or in a cafe or something else? The last thing to consider is the artwork style. What artwork should we design? For these 4 factors, you don't need to consider them in the sequence 1, 2, 3, 4. It depends on the project as to what should be considered first. Sometimes I consider the artwork style first. Sometimes I consider the occasion of using the product first. It can be switched. If we don't have a customer and we want to create something, we can do it. You can consider the artwork you want to do first. Then follow with the other factors. You can use the other factors to support your design, instead of designing only what you want to draw. When you apply the pattern or you're ready to sell it, you need to consider other factors too if you want your work to be able to sell. Let me give you an example. Each product is used in a different lifestyle. For instance, files and folders are used for the student lifestyle. An iPad case or laptop case is used for working people's lifestyle. For a pattern that has many pictures and many bright colors in it, it might be used in the fashion user group, or even working people or middle-aged people who get bored of simplicity and want jewelry or something that has bright colors, that is not monotonous and is different from others. So a product that suits these users could be a Hawaii shirt for artists or working people or teenagers that have outgoing personalities. For elders, they might like jewelry, scarves, or house decorations, like pillows or something like that. It fits their interest and it's an artwork. Or for cartoon patterns, the users will be the kids group. We need to think about the artwork that we want to do, how our requirement will be applied, and who are the users. If we consider all these things, our pattern work will be easier to sell. I will categorize the purpose of pattern design into 2 categories. The first one is when we design for the customer, so we will design with the brand characteristics. The brand will hire us to design the pattern to apply to their products, packaging, or something else. We need to talk to our customers a lot about what kind of product they have and the concept. I'm not so worried when we design for a brand because they already have a clear direction. We need to talk to them and think of other factors too. As I said earlier, we need to consider the user of the product and the occasion of using the product. The second category is designing the pattern to sell it yourself. This one is freestyle. It depends on what kind of work we like to do. Then consider other factors to support the work. But it's not like you can just draw anything you like and compose however you want. Actually, you can, but if you want to be able to sell the work, you need to think of other factors too. As I said earlier, suppose I like to draw flowers very much. But to draw only a flower pattern, I might not be able to sell it. So I'll Google which flower is trending at the moment and what color, and what style of pattern. So I can adjust my flower pattern to be trendier. You need to study a lot of pattern works too. For this course, we'll play safe with a tropical pattern. There are leaves and lovely animals. I think it's timeless and it can be applied to a wide range of products. The tropical pattern or botanical pattern can be used for many things. The leaves and flowers pattern are used quite a lot. This is the rough concept and idea. But more than anything, I want you to try it first. Don't judge that it's too much effort. You need to think and consider a lot. I want you to try using the techniques in this course and practice your skill. Then in your next work, you can add more concepts.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like or leave a comment and subscribe to my channel. As a thank you, loyal subscribers receive a 10% discount on my Procreate Tropical Pattern Mastery. Check the description for coupon code. See you in the next video.